What's good, people? It's your boy N2L, and I'm coming at you with another video, except for this time it ain't about me. It's about my son. He's 14. His birthday just passed yesterday, and he wanted a haircut. He didn't want his hair no more. You know what I mean? He ain't never had a haircut in his life. So, yeah, I'm bringing you a big chop video, but it's for my son. So, y'all enjoy the footage. It ain't going to be very long, you know what I'm saying? I only got a few clips here and there, but it is what it is. Hopefully, y'all enjoy it. So let me know if y'all like his new look, because he's going to be looking at the comments. Show him some love. And I'm going to shout out Jada Barber from San Antonio, Texas. You know what I mean? You definitely got to go through his shop. It's on South Zarzamora Street in San Antonio, Texas. Dude is definitely lit, got all the skills to pay the bills, to do your hair right. So I'm gonna put his link in there. I'm gonna put my link in there. I'm gonna put everything in everything. So y'all let me know how my son's big chop go. You know what I'm saying? Holla at your boy though, and we out. Yeah.
Mustache face. Oh no, you gotta get a job now. You gotta get a job now. You gotta get a job now, man. Mustache.
Like, you really a mustache?
Your son has a goddamn mustache, man. What the fuck is that?
You know what time it is. My son's first cut. Slice that off there.
Taking it all off?
Yeah. Well, the size. Let's send him a picture of it. I want to see this ponytail snip. All that hair, man. You better than me. I'd have kept mine. Oh my God. So thick couldn't even get through it, boy. Got them slave locks back there.
Is that you clean it?
Look at that there. It's a wrap, baby. There it goes. Next phase. Get this drop phase put in.
You know what's funny? I was so nervous and I just stopped thinking I'm just so chill.
Yeah, son, that's how life is. You're afraid to do something, then when you plunge in, you realize there ain't nothing to
I
it.
was just nervous. I was
Nothing to it but to do it. Oh, what's your name, fam? Jacob Barber? Jacob. Yeah, man, I'm gonna put his information on here too, so if y'all in San Antonio, come through one of the best barbershops in San Antonio and get right. Bring your hair and your money with you. Big fact.
Side profile. Looking boy. Looking good, boy. Looking good, boy. You don't did that there, boy. Don't get done, ain't you, boy? Think you cool already. Look, light skin face. Don't give me that. He ain't done yet, he say.
man, that's a nice car.
Just a little previous. It's the barber right here. Jacob, right? Jake. Jay. DJ, man. Your whole life, son. Jay the Barber, San Antonio, Texas. South Zarzamora.
Come through and get clean, baby. Got my son so right. Boy, look up at me. Stay still. Your whole life, son. Jay the Barber, San Antonio, Texas. South Zarzamora. Come through and get clean, baby. Got my son so right. Boy, look up at me. Stay still. Oh yeah, I had to come back one more time and let you know it's called Ambitious Cuts in San Antonio, Texas on South Zarzamora Street. You can look it up. I'm pretty sure Google got it. I'm going to leave a hell of a like and 5 stars on it. I'm going to go on Google and give them a good review, man. And I just want to say I love y'all. I appreciate y'all coming through and checking out my channel. I appreciate y'all if y'all go through my Instagram, N2LTV1 on my Instagram and get my followers up. You know what I mean? We out here working, baby, trying to get this muscle up, trying to get this money up, and just trying to live a good life with me and my son and my family, you know what I'm saying? And I hope everybody's family is doing good. I want to say RIP to Kobe Bryant. I didn't want to put his name in this post because I don't want to seem like I'm trying to get clout off him and off his death and off the death of all those people that was in that tragic accident. I'm not doing that. I don't need that type of energy. But, you know what I'm saying? I loved him as a basketball player and the energy he brought to the world. So, with that being said, God bless his family. RIP to him, one of the GOATs for sure. And I love all y'all, man. Stay blessed.